Hello, in this video we are going to see how to install fonts in a Ubuntu machine. For that, initially you have to download the fonts that you are required to install in the Ubuntu. For that, you may visit any websites where fonts are available and download it to your home folder as shown in the video. Now extract those fonts and just go into that folder. You can see the TTF files. Just right click that TTF file and a window will be open where we can install the fonts. So we have installed the two fonts as shown. Now we have installed the two versions of Source Code Pro font. Let us check whether the font is installed. It can be done by opening the font search app in Ubuntu. So you can see that the installed font, and if you click these characters, we can see the style of the font.